Hey guys, okay, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I've already kind of got started, but I'll let you guys know what I am doing. So it has been 2.5 months since I took my hair down and I actually texlaxed it. Okay, now when I took it down and texlaxed it 2.5 months ago, I think I had been going for 9 months or whatever. I stretched my hair for 9 months. So anyways, I'm not going to wash my hair or anything like that. I'm going to let you guys see what it is looking like. Now, like I said, I already took it down and I already started kind of braiding it. You know, I have a lot of tutorials on like braiding and stuff like that, so I already kind of like started, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It's very dirty. My hair is super dirty and you guys can see the flakes, so y'all can know it's real, honey. Like, y'all see that? Super dirty. But we are not going to wash it, okay? So it's only been 2.5 months. That's way too soon to be washing hair. So I am going to probably at the 5-month mark, I'll probably do a pre-wash, and that's just going to be like a conditioner wash. I don't need to use any shampoo. I'm not going to need to use any shampoo or anything like that, but we will talk about that in the next 3 months. But for right now, I'm just taking it down, I'm combing through it, and I'm going to braid it back up and grease it, and that's going to be all she wrote. I will kind of show you guys just me braiding a few braids. You guys have already seen me braid my hair. Like I said, I have a lot of videos of me braiding my hair and preparing my hair to go underneath my wigs, okay? So I'll just show you guys a few clips here and a few clips there, and of course I will come back when I am done to kind of talk to you guys and close out the video. Alright guys, so I am done re-braiding my hair, and this is what it looks like. Normally I will braid my hair a lot flatter, but it'll be okay. My hair is so thick right now. My hair is so thick right now, it's really hard to get it flat, and I have somewhere to go, so I do not have all day to do my hair. This is what the back looks like. I do need to give myself an edge, so it is looking real nappy back there. So I'm going to go in with this Ghetto Booty grease, this Ultra Sheen's, very old school. It's like $2, I think. So I'm just going to grease my scalp. My scalp actually doesn't need to be greased at all, so I'm not gonna, you know, do a lot with this because my hair is already like super greasy. A lot of times my hair will produce oil, and my hair does. So it's, like I said, it's already really greasy. So just getting, literally I'm just using like a little bit, y'all probably can't see, and I'm gonna just put it up, and that's pretty much it, y'all. That's it. And a lot of times I'll go in and like braid all the braids together just to kind of keep them, you know, so they won't be all everywhere. Just do like one big plait so they won't be all bunched and balled up when I put my wig cap on. Okay, and that's it, guys. My pizza is at the door. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and yeah, I'll be sure to get back to y'all.